for not telling me about my trousers being ripped. I knew they were ripped. I didn't realise that.
Flesh is there. Right, hey, no splashing people a lot. Come on, I don't want anybody soaked. Oh man, what's the point?
I wish I was like weak Jonathan. Oh God, give me go. She's getting over the weight she used to be again. Jonathan, I did. I used to be a size 8. Carolann, do you remember me 14, 15 at high school? I used to be a size
Joanne, you were a size, you were
size
skinny
6.
right up to your hip.
See, when I was pregnant with Maxwell, working in... This is actually quite cosy. It's because you're so shielded. I can just see Carolann getting a little bit of a sunset. Carolann with nice. Teddy makes me sad. He didn't know.
Yeah.
Makes me sad. I know what it is. What? He holds on to a lot of the cardigan.
That's wine we're quite tonight. So.
I mentioned it the other day. Remember when she had the big spread and said this is the size of Carolann? And I said, no, it did. And I said to Teddy, I'm not the same size. And he said, no, it isn't. Even the paper didn't start it, and it was. It's not as nice a shape as hers, but it's the same width.
No, you do have a wee bum and wee hips. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I could check out
Hers is cornmeal, big hips.
So you're rubbing your bum against paper ropes.
Well, the paper image of hers. Right,
Are you
go on,
right?
sit down.
Are you right?
Take up
Are you right?
Dun, dun, dun.
Look at his face! See?
Mine will be so
He's been a wee bit and I've posted it. And I've posted it. So it's what we saw. They're all having their